Welcome to 360 Agro Solution, your full circle agro partner. At 360 Agro Solution, we take our time to examine the design before any construction. This is where we were doing civil work, the foundation. This foundation of the solid. This is the walkway, some of the walkways, and then after the walkways, yes, you can see some of the platforms. Yeah, these are some of the platform and where the floor where we begin to install some of the stanchions. Yes, so this is it. Yeah, so we took our time, we pay attention to every details that comes with the architectural drawing. We don't joke with it. Yes, so just be patient, follow us and come with us and see how we transform this place into a magnificent edifice. Yes, in the agro space. Yeah, this is some of the when we finish up with the foundation, we started laying the stanchions. This was where we laid some of the stanchions. Although these projects are some of the projects that we've done, well, we have to merge all of them together and all of that. So these are most of our projects. This was where some of our machines were imported. Yeah, we were unloading them from the container. Yeah, these are the equipment that came all the way from overseas. Yeah, you can see how it has transformed. Yeah, and here this is the parboiling session, the starting point of in the rice industry. This was one of our projects that we did also. So yes, this is the parboiling session. Yes, from the soaking tank to buffer tank. This is dryer going up. This is the top of the elevators. This is the platform. Yes, back to the dryer. This is the dryer. Oh, water polisher. This is the water polisher that polish the rice. Yes, this is the top of the base of the elevator. So you can see how that's transformed. So we have to see how it has transformed. Yes, I'm showing you the video now, so you can see how it has transformed to a standard parboiling. This is the starting point where you start the process of milling rice. You know, this is the parboiling session. Yes, where after harvesting paddy, from paddy is actually the rice you harvest from farm. You put them through this place. There's intake, from the intake to soaking tank. Yes, from the soaking tank to where we soak them with steam, hot water.